Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to claim your Doma Protocol Day 1 badge, absolutely free and in just 2 minutes. First, click the link in the description. Sign up with your email and make sure to verify it through the confirmation mail. That's it. Your account is ready. Next, you'll get 3 quiz questions. Don't worry, the answers are random and you won't get disqualified for wrong answers. Once you're done, you'll unlock the Day 1 badge. This badge is super important for future rewards or airdrops, so don't miss out. To unlock full access, you need 3 referrals. If you don't have friends to refer, no worries. Here's a trick. Open a new browser or Incognito window and sign up using your own referral link. Self-referral works. That's it for today. Make sure to grab your badge while it's still available. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped. And stay tuned for more airdrop guides. Repeat this process 3 times by logging out and signing up again. That way you'll generate 3 successful referrals and automatically claim your Day 1 badge. So don't wait. It's a 1-minute task, just do it now. For more updates, join our Telegram and make sure to subscribe to our new YouTube channel.